If you have other more effective methods for evaluating what went well, what you need to improve, and what your attendees like about your events, you probably won't find useful to have so many comments taking up space in your database. So, in this video we're going to explain how to bulk delete all event comments without server errors, and without having to spend hours or even days on it. For this, we'll use the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet, which allows you to bulk edit thousands of comments in seconds, do advanced searches to find specific comments, and export or import your comments to CSV files. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we're ready to search for all the events comments. For this, let's open the search tool. Then select events as the post type. Now leave the comment option here. And run the search to display all the event comments in the spreadsheet. After you've filtered all the event comments, you can use the bulk edit tool to delete all of them at once. Here, select the rows to update. In this case, will be all from my current search. Then, select the field status. Choose to set the value. And select delete completely. Finally, execute, and all the event comments will be deleted. You can delete all event comments with these simple steps, and the best thing is that you don't need to spend many hours searching and deleting thousands of comments. Moreover, you'll avoid server errors because the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet plugin uses your server resources efficiently. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.